If you want to edit a website in the Hosting a Website Builder, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, from opening the editor to updating your pages, changing your design, and publishing the final changes live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make edits quickly and confidently, even if you're a complete beginner. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more website tutorials, hosting tips, and easy how-to guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is access the Hosting a Website Builder editor through your hPanel dashboard. Open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in with your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites option in the main menu. This is where all of your hosted websites are listed. Find the website you want to edit and then click Edit Website. This will launch the Hosting a Website Builder editor and take you directly into the visual editing interface. From here, you can begin making changes to your site without needing to write code. Now that you're inside the editor, let's talk about editing the content and layout. One of the best things about Hosting a Website Builder is that it uses visual editing, which means you can click directly on elements on the page and edit them in place. If you want to change text, just click on any heading, paragraph, or text block. You can type in your new content, adjust formatting, and customize it to fit your website. If you want to change an image, click the image element and replace it with a new one from your media library or upload a fresh file from your computer. You can also drag and drop elements around the page. On the left toolbar, look for the Add Element tool. This gives you access to things like text boxes, buttons, image blocks, contact forms, video embeds, and galleries. Simply select the element you want and drag it onto the canvas wherever you want it to appear. This is especially useful if you want to build custom sections or redesign a page layout without starting over. You can position elements in a way that matches your brand and your goals. If you need to reorganize the page structure, you can also move entire sections up or down. Just click and drag a section to a new position. And if you want to add a new content block in between existing sections, use the Add Section option. This is a simple way to insert a new layout area for testimonials, services, call to action banners, or any other content you want to include. Next, let's look at managing pages and global styles. On the left side of the editor, click the Pages icon. This is where you can manage the structure of your website navigation. From here, you can add new pages, delete pages you no longer need, rename page slugs, and reorder the navigation bar so your menu looks clean and organized. If you are building a multi-page website, this step is important because it helps visitors move around your site easily. After that, open the Site Styles tab. This is where you control the global look and feel of your website. Instead of editing every page individually, you can update the site-wide color palette, change typography, and adjust button shapes across the entire website. This is a huge time saver because it keeps your branding consistent from page to page. If you want a modern look, you might choose cleaner fonts and rounded buttons. If you want a more bold or professional style, you can adjust the colors and typography to match that vibe. Once your content and design are updated, it's time to preview your website and check how everything looks on different devices. At the top of the editor, you'll see desktop and mobile view icons. Click between them to preview your site on both screen sizes. This is really important because some elements may look perfect on desktop but need adjustments on mobile. You may need to resize text, move buttons, or rearrange spacing so your site looks great on phones and tablets too. Always take a moment to review both views before publishing. When you're happy with your edits, go to the top right corner and click Update or Go Live. This will save your changes and publish them to your live website. If your site is already live, this step pushes your new edits to visitors right away. And that's it. You now know how to edit a website in Hosting a Website Builder, from accessing the editor and changing content to managing pages, adjusting styles, and publishing your final updates. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.